I grew up in prison. I first went to prison in 1966, and ever since I've been back and forth. I've spent a total of roughly 33 years. I've got grandchildren, I've got children. It's time to knock it on the head. It's unexplainable because you're out at that prison gate with £46, no matter if you're doing 18 months, 18 years or 118 years, you're getting 46 quid. Thank you very much, bye-bye. And you don't know where you're going to go. You just don't know. If you want for Alicia Nutt finding me the placement in Nightingale House, I haven't got a clue where I would have ended up or what would have happened. And the support I had of this guy, Dallin, second to none. I'm just happy that I've got accommodation. It's nice and cozy, quiet. It's what I want. So you need funding. You need as much as you can get, because without that, I hate to think where I would have ended up and what would have happened. So I think the Welsh Government should fund it to the max.